맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. Today I will cook Korean name Jajangmyeon. You know this made from this black soybean paste. With this one, and we make a sauce, and we put here is name is Jajangmyeon, Korean language. You know this Korean children or many Korean people likes so much this black noodle. So you will be very surprised because of black noodle, but it's very delicious, you know. So today I will cook this black noodle, you know. So now I will introduce the ingredients. This first we need this onion and this black soybean paste and this noodle. Of course, we need the noodle, and then this pumpkin and onion and pork and oil. Let's start to make. First, put cooking oil, and we put this black soybean paste. And first we fry. Okay, we fried. Maybe about 2 minutes fry. No need a very long time fry, you know. Okay, let's fry pork. Korean children are crazy about this black soybean, this noodle, black noodle, crazy about. Nowadays, you know, in foreign country also very popular this one. First fry the meat, and we fry the onion. Okay, nearly ready, fried ready. And we put this sauce. You know, we fried this sauce. No sauce, this black soybean paste. Paste, black soybean paste. Very nice, very fresh smell. Okay, ready. Let's boil water for this noodle. Okay, let's put this noodle. Maybe 4 or 5 minutes later, we can take out. Okay, About 5 minutes, huh? Oh, very nice. Wow, so fantastic, huh? Oh, so fantastic. Ooh. So nice. Wow. Very fresh, very nice, very nice. Ready? If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much visiting my channel. Thank you.